Hey guys, this is Aaron from Geeky Development, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create an animation by simply pressing a button, and it's going to set an array of images to go off in a sequence to make an animation. It's very simple. So here on my desktop here I've got 3 images, and it's basically a dancing chicken. He just bobs left to right and he has some freaking cool sunglasses on. So if I just go through the images here, we've got the first one, the second one, and the third one. So go back again. How cool is that guy? This makes me want to dance. So if we go straight away, open up XCode, File, New Project. Make sure it's a view-based application for the iPhone. And I'll name this Animation. Nice and simple, and save it to your desktop so you know where it is. Okay, so let's drag it up here. We'll make it a little bit bigger so we can all see, and drag this over so we can read the classes file. So straight away we're going to drop down the resources, and then we're going to highlight all of our images and simply drag them over to the resources. Copy the items in the destination folder so they save into your project so it's easier to find. So I'll show you here. We have chicken 1, chicken 2, and chicken 3. Nice and simple. So if we go straight to the classes file and into the .h, we're going to want to put our IB outlet. So we start by typing IB outlet, there you go, space UI image view, and we'll name our image view something simple like animation, as that is basically what we're doing, and with a semicolon. And we go to put in our IB action, so bracket, IB action, another bracket, and we name this start. That's nice and easy as well. 2 dots, then we do the ID, sender, and then end that with our semicolon. So simply save that, and we go straight to the .m. So we start by simply putting in the IB action button, so we do dash IB action bracket, and we called it start, so START. Don't know why I'm spelling it for you, but there you go. 2 dots, ID, sender. Now we enter, curly bracket, enter. Now we type in the view name, which is animation, and there we go. Dot animation images, space equals space bracket ns array, space array with objects. Now this highlighted bit here, we just simply press, well, get rid of the highlighted bit there, 2 dots, and then simply press enter. Now this is where we start now by putting the images in. So if we do bracket UI image, capital, sorry, UI image, and get rid of my capital because I'm going a bit mad here, image, space, image, named, and then this highlighted bit here we name our first image, which was mine is called chicken1.tiff. So we simply put the @ symbol, and then quotation mark, chicken1, and it's .tiff. TIFF is just the format the image is in. If it's PNG or JPEG or whatever, you just simply put whatever the format is in the end. And we end it with a quotation mark, bracket, and then little comma, and we enter. We can simply just highlight all of this, copy it, and then paste it for how many times you have or how many images you have. So I have 3. So I paste it once more, so I have 3 here, and just simply change my endings here from 2 and 3. So on the last image we want to put nil bracket and end it with a semicolon, so it should look just like that. Now we're going to want to set how many times we want to repeat the animation. So we do bracket, and we name it the view, which we called animation, sorry, space set animation image, not images, it's repeat count. And then in this highlighted bit here, well, I'm simply going to want it to repeat about 3 times. That's nicer. Oh, that's a, it's a bit nice. Semicolon. Let me enter. No, we're going to want to do how long the animation is going to go along for. So it could be 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. Up to you. So we put animation space. Oh no, animation dot animation duration space equals let's say 2 seconds. So we put in 2 semicolon. Enter. And we want as soon as you press the button, we want the image to start animating, so we put view, not view, sorry, animation, because that's obviously what we call the view. I don't know why I keep typing in view. Space start animating bracket semicolon. Enter, and we just end a whole lot of coding with one simple curly bracket. Beautiful. So if we just save that, now we're going to want to go straight into the animation view controller.nib and simply put in our image view and our button. I'll make it nice and simple so it's easy to understand and make it look really good. So if you just wait for interface builder to load up, see it jumping down there at the bottom. It's getting all a bit excited here because it's finally getting used for once. Here we go then. So it should be up. Here we go. Right then. So we put in our image view. That's a bit too big there. Let's get it to a nice decent size, which that will do nicely there. And then we're going to want a round rec button. So for that, let's make it nice and centered, so it looks good. And we'll name it start. So then we go to our files owner and we simply drag the start to obviously the start button and the touch up inside, and the animation to the UI image view. Then simply save that and quit it, and you can go make sure it's in simulator, and you can go straight ahead to build and run. There should be no problems, but if there is, it's easy to justify them. But yeah, I've written the code out pretty perfect anyway, so there should be no problems. And as usual, no problems, so here we go. Let's see this chicken dance when the iPhone simulator starts. Here we go, people, here we go. So we simply press start, and then we have our chicken dancing there. And as this, well, it repeats itself 3 times because that's what we set it to. So we can simply edit that again. So for if you want the animation to never stop, just simply put repeat count to 0, and the duration we can speed it up a bit. Let's do maybe 1 second. Save that, build and run. So this time the image won't stop repeating, but it'll be, now we have sped it up as well, so it'll be quite quick as well. So let's see this chicken groove. There we go. How cool is that guy? I want to high five that chicken. But that's so that's simply how you create an animation. So any questions, just put them in the comments below. But apart from that, make sure you subscribe and also follow me on Twitter and Facebook and everything like that. And yeah, so the usual, comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you all next tutorial.